welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today is day 14 of my beauty advent calendar, so let's get to opening these up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off by opening up the Body Shop, and we are looking for number 14 today. 14 is right here. It's this other triangle. All right, so this is cute. It's got a guy with a bicycle wrapped package, and it says, homeless women on the streets are even more vulnerable than men. If you see a homeless woman, ask how you can help. Let's open it up. Oh, that's kind of funny. It's a lip. Well, to me, it looks like a lip product. So this is, oh yeah, it's a matte liquid lip. It is in the shade, it could be the Nairobi Camilla, because it's written at the top of this. That's about my only indication, but I really like this color. It looks like a nice, like, pink nude for sure. So it's kind of funny. I just, like, slapped this on before I, like, got on camera, but now I should have waited, because then I could have put this on, but whatever. So let's open up the next box. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Glossy Box, and again we're looking for number 14. So let's see if it's up in this first one. No, I saw 15 though. So tomorrow, nope. 14. Okay, 14 is right up here. Box number 14 right here, and let's see what we got. Some grass. Oh, cool. All right, this is a liquid eyeliner by Ilamasqua. I think that's Ilamasqua. I'm not sure on pronunciation. I'm not gonna lie. This is a liquid eyeliner, which I love liquid liners. Always need it. I just want to take a peek at it, just see what it really does look like and see what this felt tip. It's pretty fat. He's pretty fat. Pretty thick. So probably you'll make some pretty fat wings. Cool. I love that we got makeup today because I feel like we've been getting so much skincare. And so I'm kind of glad that we got a little bit of makeup in here. And hopefully we'll get some more makeup in. Oh no, we only have chocolate and a mask today. So no makeup today. Hopefully more makeup tomorrow. Alrighty, so next we're going to move on to the chocolate calendar. And again, we're looking for 14. Oh, 13 and 14 are actually right underneath each other. So here's 14 right here. Let's see what we've got in for today's chocolate. Oh, cute. It's like a little bell. Ding dong, ding dong. And my last advent calendar for day 14 is my 12 days of glow. I've been doing the 12 days of beauty with Target with these as well. So every other day is one of these. But today is R14, but this one's number 7. It is a face mask. It is a cucumber peel-off mask. Peel-off gel mask, which I'm really excited for because I love cucumber. This is what the face mask does look like, and it says it's a renewing face mask. So it says a cooling skin quenching mask that gently peels away impurities that can cause skin to be rough and dull. Cucumber and aloe help soothe while moisturizing, ensuring skin feels soft and silky smooth after every use. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Today we are doing day 15 of my beauty advent calendars. We are getting so close to Christmas and the holidays. Like, we are 10 days out and I have not finished making gifts and shopping. So I need to get on that, like, right now. And today we're going to start off with the chocolate advent calendar. So I'm looking for number 15. Oh, right here with this little mouse, kind of. Let's see what we've got going on in here. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, it's a little truck. So yesterday we did the 12 days of glow. So today we are going back to the 12 days for Target, the 12 days of beauty. And we are going to be going into number 8 here, which is like a tiny little box right here. But let's see what's in said box. These are really, like, they've, like, put, like, a little piece of, like, sticky adhesive. But, like, the kind that, like, peels off on all of these so they stay in here. Do you see this? It's like a bunch. I got it. It took me 20 years. Alright, so this is by Bliss. This is the Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. So that's cool. I got another mask. Let's see if this really smells like marshmallow. It says, smooth a thick layer onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and bask in your radiance. I don't smell marshmallow. And next we're going to be going into the Glossy Box. And again, we're looking for number 15 today. Number 15. Oh, perfect. 15 is right up here, right here. So let's go ahead and pull her out. She's got a little bit of weight, nothing too crazy. Box number 15 right here. Let's open her up and see what's in here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my. Alright, so this is the 111 Skin Face Mask. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Treatment Face Mask. I got a pack of 5 of these in BoxyCharm, so I'll probably hold on to this one and use it in a giveaway. I can say these masks are fantastic. Like, I felt like my skin looked super bright and just hydrated. So it says the advanced structure of the 111 Skin Hydrogel Mask enhances an absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps the skin perfectly hydrated. The hydrogel mask, in combination with the 24 karat gold and damask rose extract, works in powerful synergy to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. Works really easy. You leave this on for 20 minutes and then tap it into your skin. Super, super easy. So we are here with the Body Shop calendar, and we are looking for day number 15. Don't see it on this side. My box is kind of falling apart. Oh, day 15 is right here on the end. This is what our box does look like. We've got a man putting up some stockings and a little kitty cat. Meow. All right, so what's it say? It says, be merry and maverick and wish a stranger a happy Christmas. That is so sweet. Really, honestly, just wish people nice days even. A lot of people don't get told nice things every day, so it's nice to even just compliment them in a small way. It's just something nice and makes everyone feel a little bit better. Makes yourself feel a little bit better because you gave something and then you made somebody else probably smile, which made you smile. So it's a good little reciprocation and to pay it forward. Now, this is what I'm excited for. This is the Body Shop Berry Bath Blend. This is hydrating bath foam. Now, I wish this was a body wash. But I mean, like, can you use bath foam as body wash? Probably not. Probably not. I don't know. Comment in the below if you know the answer to that question. It says hydrating, it's a shower cream, so I can. It says hydrating bubble bath shower cream enriched with antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients for healthier looking skin. Dry, very dry, and tight skin feels soothed, comforted, and softer. Oh, I love berry stuff, so I'm like really excited to see if this like, oh my, this smells like Trix yogurt. Like dead ass, this is Trix yogurt. This has to be edible. It even kind of looks like the Trix yogurt, you know what I'm saying? It's like a creamy, I could sit here and talk about this all day. I might be taking a bath tonight, y'all. I can't stop smelling it. Oh, it's so good. Today is day 16 of my beauty advent calendars. It is really cold in my house. It's why I have the little robe on. So let's open these up. So today we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Body Shop box today. And we are looking for number 16. Oh, here it is. It is this one right here on the top. It has what looks like a little boy and a guy probably telling a little story on his lap. And it says, don't buy paper to wrap gifts together. Recycle something at home instead. Don't buy paper. What would you use then? I don't know. I don't know. What would you guys use if you guys didn't use wrapping paper to wrap a gift? Let me know. Comment below. So let's open. I don't know how to open. Sometimes these are so hard to open, I don't even know how the box was made, and I don't want to break the box because I'm like, they're cute. Okay, we got it open now. Oh, how cute. It's a little headband, and I love little stars. They're so cute. So next we're going to move on to the Glossy Box, and again, we are looking for number 16. Alright, so 16 is right here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Feels a little heavy. Here is box number 16, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so we've got grass. Just take it out there. Alright, so this is, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I believe it is Evio. It's EVIO, or maybe it's EV10. I want to say it's Evio. Skin X Aurora, so must be a collab of some sort. This is the refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. These have cannabis sativa seed oil. They are balancing, so anti-fatigue. Let's read the back. It says gently massage single EVO skin refreshing cleansing wipe, hemp wipe all over face in a circular motion, taking care around the eyes. No need to rinse. For maximum results, follow with the EVO skin rejuvenating mask and revitalizing serum 2 times per week. Cool. Hold on, there's like another side on the back. It says, Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality, thoughtfully curated with EVO to provide a unique hemp-based product. The Aurora certified cannabis sativa seed oil, hemp, used in all collaborative EVO Skin X Aurora products. Is 100% grown in Canada. As with all Aurora products, you can trust that these are lab tested and have received the Aurora seal of approval. These are natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free for all skin types. So this is the packaging. I think it was really nice packaging. It's all black, which is kind of cool. I feel like you don't really see that too often. I honestly thought it was gonna have some sort of charcoal in it because it was black. Not even gonna lie. So really cool, and I think it's really interesting to see a cleansing white. It didn't say anything about taking off makeup. So I mean, so maybe it's just truly just a cleansing wipe and not like a makeup remover. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to the chocolate calendar, and we are looking for number 16, which I found right here at the bottom. So let's see what this one is. Oh, it's another little candlestick. Ooh. Okay, so next we're going to move on to the 12 Days of Glow because we're not doing the 12 Days of Beauty today. So today's face mask is going to be this Glacier Water Peony Gel Cream Mask. Alrighty, so this is the little packet, and it says, refreshing glacier water replenishes for dry skin while soothing pink peony, the queen of flowers, delicately calms for petal soft skin. Indulge in radiance day and night. No need to rinse. So it says, apply to a clean face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes and hairline. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes all day or overnight. This gel cream absorbs into the skin with no need to rinse and no need to worry about getting it on your pillow. Use twice per week or often as needed. So honestly, I might put this on like right now. This one sounds really familiar. I want to say I have this one in a tube. This completes day 16 of my beauty advent calendars, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Let me know if you guys have any of these products down below in the comments. I would love to hear. I do comment back on every single comment, so do feel free to comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.